Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can delete documents and files from the Files app on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments after watching this video, and let us get started with you. First, you will need to find the Files app on your iPhone. This is what it looks like. This is the official iPhone app, so that's where all your files and documents are stored. So, after you go to this app, you need to click on View. That way, you'll be able to see all the folders that you have here and where your documents are stored. For example, it's stored in the iCloud Drive on your iPhone. And let's say you want to delete some files from this app. Then you need to find them. I have them in iCloud mostly, for example. And if you find the files that you want to delete, whether it's music, photos, or videos, whatever, in order to delete them, you have to click on the file at the bottom. You'll find Delete. You just click and the file is deleted. If you have a lot of these files or documents and you don't want to delete one at a time, then in the upper right corner, click on the three dots. Then select. This way, you can select as many files as you need, and at the bottom click on the Trash Can sign in order to delete them in one tap. But you can't delete all the files completely this way. They won't disappear that easily. To do that, click on Browse again and then Recently Deleted. And as you can see here, all the files you want to delete are moved to this folder. If you want to delete completely immediately, then you can also select the files to delete yourself. Then click Delete. Confirm the action. And thus, they will be permanently and always deleted from the app files on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. You were able to see how you can delete documents and files from the Files app on your iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments, and until we meet again.